Hi, this is my fourth lesson on sound and spellings. If you haven't already seen the others, you'll find them here. In these lessons, you get all the spellings for one sound and a poem for you to practice at the end. It will really help your pronunciation. You probably already know spelling in English is one of the most difficult things to get right, even for us natives. But it's much easier when you know or can work out the right way to say the words when you see them written down. So today, I'm going to help you pronounce and recognize the sound when it's spelt in several different ways. And don't forget, make sure you watch to the end for the poem that I've written especially for you, with all the sounds and spellings so you can practice and remember them. So come on, let's get to it. There's a good old English proverb. It goes like this: the early bird catches the worm. It means someone who seizes an opportunity at the earliest point in time will have the best chance of reaping its benefits. Okay, so let's get started. We need to get the sound right first. It's a bit like the sound you make when you see or smell something horrible. Maybe a bit of mouldy cheese you found at the back of the fridge. Or the thought of biting on an apple that's full of maggots. So is a long sound. The jaw is relaxed and the tongue is central. It's similar to the schwa sound, but longer. Say the two sounds together like this. Got that? If not, go back and practice until you can make the sounds. If you want more help with these sounds, watch my videos here. So let's move swiftly on to the spellings. Remember, this will also help you work out the likelihood of a particular pronunciation for a new word that you've read. First of all, let's look at the common spellings. Here, all words with this spelling are pronounced with ER, as in her, verb, prefer, certain, emergency. IR, as in fur, girl, first, circus, shirt. UR, as in fur, turn, church, nurse. Now, the less common spellings with this sound. W plus OR, as in word, work, worm. OUR, as in journey, courtesy. EAR, as in learn, earth, pearl, rehearse. So let's do some practice, shall we? As always, I've written a poem for you with all the spellings of this sound. It makes it easier for you to remember. So here goes. Remember, try and practice it with the same pronunciation, rhythm and intonation until you sound the same as me. This poem is called The Shed. There was a young girl from Worthing who couldn't stop herself from working. When she got out of bed, she'd go straight to the shed where she learnt to practice English perfectly. But one night at 10:30, performing with certainty phrases she'd learnt by rote, the shed began to turn as the earth began to burn, and the wind blew her high in the sky. So now on this journey she passed over Jersey and waved out the window goodbye. But then in reverse the shed came back to earth and returned her right back where she started. At first she felt well, but then she just fell and woke up with her face covered in dirt. So she burnt the shed, then went back to bed and decided to learn English with Liz. I hope you enjoyed that. Please do share this video. It'll help my channel grow. Thanks. Love and peace.